Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of exercise, let me grab the random table topic for today. The table topic for today is why keeping up with national and international news is important. Why keeping up with national and international news is important. Why keeping up with national and international news is important. When I think about that, keeping up with national and international news, just about other scenario. For example, just remove the national news and the international news from our life. What would happen? It would happen that we would not come to about the most important issue that the government, that country, that world faces. And recently, came across such a video when independent YouTuber was trying to cover mainstream protest in Delhi, and he said something that got stuck to me. And he said, if you live in the world and you don't have opinion these things going in the being in the nation, then I don't know what you are doing. So as we live in the society, we have some responsibility as well. We have responsibility towards the other generation that is coming up. If something that is a very grave concern, there is very important issues going on, we should have an opinion about it, right? If it's impacting, I'm not saying that you should have an opinion about that, what what Elon Musk is doing for the humanity. Maybe that's not, maybe you should not care about, or maybe some people care about. I'm not going into that. What I feel is keeping up with national and international news is very important, because this is the medium where things can come out and we can get to know about things. If there are some crimes going on, if we don't read in the news, then what will happen? It's important that, and I have heard that the news media is the fourth pillar of democracy. So it's very important that we we at least have an idea about what's going on this world, what is going on in this nation. Thank you. Over to you.